Hey, hi everyone. In this video, I would like to explain about how to install Hadoop on Mac. So, first of all, just open your Mac terminal and type Java version. So, this Java version must you have to install before installing the Hadoop. Okay, if you didn't install the Java, just follow how to install Java on. I have made a video on that. So link has been in the description. So after installing the Java, now let's type Hadoop version. Now here you can see Hadoop version. It was showing command not found. So see Hadoop version. It is not showing the Hadoop. So let's go to Google and type installation of Hadoop on Mac. Here you can see Hello Code Club. Just open that and you will see download Hadoop. Just open in new tab. It will go to the downloads page. Just click on here. And after that, just click on 3.3.2. So after that, here you can see tar.gz. So which is called a 609 MB. Just click on this. After clicking this, you will go to downloads page directly like this. I have downloaded already, so that's why it is showing like that. So after the download has been successfully completed, just double click on it. So it is extracting the Hadoop now. Let's wait for a few seconds. See, now in downloads in downloads, the Hadoop has been downloaded here. Now we have installed also. Just move this file to your location. I am moved to my desktop and I'm going to just drag and drop here, move. See, now in big data folder, there is a software called Hadoop. Hadoop 3.3.2 is my Hadoop file. This was. So let's go to terminal. Let's type Hadoop version. Now it is showing that Hadoop 3.3.2 is installed in your MacBook. So after this, after the installation, set up Hadoop environment variables. How to set that environment variables? Let's type vi tilde slash dot bash. Type just tab. It will complete that path. So open this bash profile. After that, you will display like this. Let's click on enter button. Here, you have to give the Hadoop path, which is called here. You can see Hadoop home equal to user swing big data Hadoop. Why I given this path? Because this Hadoop 3.3.2 is user swing big data path. So how to know it? Just go to your terminal WQ. Now see PWD. I mean user swing. Now change the directory to big data. After change the directory to Hadoop. Just now type PWD. User swing big data Hadoop. So this path have to copy and paste where in bash profile. Just type that export Hadoop home equal to your path where you have installed this Hadoop. Okay, same Java also. So just see in the another video how to create this Java and how to install all the things. And also after completion of the path, just give the this path export path equal to dollar path Hadoop home by bin, Hadoop home by sbin. Both you have to put. So after these two lines, after these two lines, just get out from it. Just save and get out from it. To save, just enter WQ. See, now you have entered this two. Assume you have entered this two here. So after that, just colon WQ to save and quit. WQ exclamation mark to save and quit. Okay. Now after that, after creating the Hadoop home and path, just type Hadoop version. Now we already got right Hadoop version. It is 3.3.2. Okay. Now next, this is the main thing we have to do now. Hadoop configuration files. So how to go to that configuration files? It is showing that HDFS site.xml. In HDFS site.xml, you have to paste this configuration. So how to paste that? Just go to your terminal, just type cd and press Ctrl L to clear the screen. Now, just go to your Hadoop, big data, Hadoop, and next type tab. Go to that location where it will be. Just type etc. 1 minute. cd big data Hadoop etc Hadoop. So here just enter. Now you will go to Hadoop path. Now you are in Hadoop path, right? Just type ls. So these are the files have in the Hadoop path. So what it is saying, just open HDFS site.xml where it is vi HDFS site.xml. Just click enter. You will see like this. There are no configuration files between these. Now just come here and dd. Please press your key dd two times. That line will be delete. dd dd dd. So after that, click on I. Now we are in a insert mode. After getting into insert mode, just copy this configuration to this configuration and Command C and Command V. Just copy and paste. After that, just press escape and colon WQ. So it has been saved. After that, what it is saying, just open another configuration called core site XML. Just core site XML. So just come here and type DD two times. So type I. Now we are in a insert mode. Same, copy configuration to configuration and paste. After that, click escape and colon WQ to save and exit. And next, what it is saying, another configuration file called mapred site XML. So in mapred site XML, also copy and paste configuration to configuration file. Mapred site XML. Now just come here and delete by pressing DD. Now we are in insert mode. Just paste that, escape and colon WQ. And last one, yarn site.xml. Now yarn site.xml. Same. Just delete this. After that, just we are in a insert mode, copy configuration to configuration, copy and paste. Okay. Now escape colon WQ. See, now four configurations have been inserted into these four files. So after that, what it is saying, configure SSH. By clicking command and space button, you will get to a spotlight search. Here, just type remote. Now you can see remote login. Just click on that. After that, put as all users and first click this. After clicking this, just select all users and click on done. Let's close this. And after that, it is saying that so without password, it is saying this way no password is necessary when SSH. Now just copy this, copy and paste here. Yes, short 256 has been saved. After that, just copy this one. And after that, run SSH localhost. SSH localhost. After that, HDFS name node format. So no problem. It is not showing no. Just start the daemons. So to start the daemons, let's so before that we have to run this source bash profile because you have entered the Hadoop home path, right? By entering opening the bash profile, you have you have set you have say you already set a Hadoop home and the path, right? So that's why just type source bash profile and now just type HDFS name node format. So yes, after formatting, just type start all.sh. Now the daemons will run. The starting name node on localhost, starting data node, starting secondary name nodes, and starting resource manager, starting node managers. So after this, just type JPS. While typing JPS, just see name node, secondary name node is running, job history server is running, JPS is running, name node is running, node manager is resource manager is also running. So now what it is saying, just run one more thing, history server. History server has been already running. Just type once again. Okay. Now to know is our Hadoop is running or not, just open Google and type localhost 9870. See, now your Hadoop is successfully installed. Now you can see browse the file system. So there was no files. Let's create a file. Control L, HDFS, DFS, -ls, root. There was no files. That's why it is showing like this. But without typing this command also, we can see it directly. There is no files in it, right? Just empty. Now let's create one folder. HDFS, DFS, -mkdir space called just type user. See, now the user has been created. Just type HDFS DFS -ls. See, now the user has been created. Let's go here and refresh. See, User has been created. So now let's create another folder also. HDFS, DFS, hyphen mkdir, user, Hadoop. Just type ls command again. So here we have user. In user, what are the files or folders available? Hadoop available. So directly we can see. Just refresh. Here we have user. In user, you can see. In user, we have Hadoop. In Hadoop, there was nothing. So now we are going to transfer the file from our local to Hadoop. So how to transfer that? Let's create a one file here. Let's create a file by touch A1. Touch A1 has been created in which location? User win. Let's see. A1 here. A1 has been created. It is an empty file, right? So now, so after that, just move that A1 file to a HDFS Hadoop to the Hadoop location. How to send this? Type HDFS DFS hyphen put A1 to user Hadoop. See, now let's HDFS DFS hyphen ls user Hadoop. Let's see, is the A1 file is transferred to Hadoop or not? See, it is successfully transferred the A1 file from local to Hadoop. Let's check here. So in user we have Hadoop. In Hadoop A1. So this is the way to create the Hadoop. The download and install the Hadoop in your Mac. If you have any questions, please put in the comment section. I will try my level best to answer. Thank you.